Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're looking at the secret to collecting reviews without feeling pushy. You know how some businesses just seem to attract amazing feedback?
Right.
It's not really about nagging people. It's smarter than that.
Exactly. It's more about designing things so that leaving a good review feels, well, totally natural for a happy customer. So if you're aiming for that, the first big step really is mapping out every single place a customer interacts with you.
Okay, let's break that down. You mean identifying all those points, like from the first hello right through to after the sale?
Precisely.
So you can pinpoint the best times, the most organic moments to ask for that feedback.
That's it. And while you're doing that, you need to nail down what success actually looks like. What are you measuring? Is it just getting more reviews, a better star rating, maybe how many people respond when you ask?
Mhm.
Knowing those metrics up front keeps everything focused. And something else that's super valuable here, tapping into your CRM.
Ah, the customer data.
Yeah, knowing their history lets you tailor things, make the
Mm.
ask smarter.
That makes total sense.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
so you've got the map, the metrics,
Yeah.
but a system's only as good as the people using it, right? Our insights suggest just telling staff, get more reviews. Well, that doesn't really cut it.
No, definitely not. What seems to work is helping your team understand, the emotions behind why someone leaves a review. Train them to spot those moments of real customer delight. That can seriously boost the chances they'll say yes to leaving feedback.
Okay, recognizing the happy moments.
Yeah, and having really clear guidelines for handling all feedback, especially, when things go sideways, that's critical.
Right, and empowerment. Giving them the authority to fix problems quickly.
Oh, absolutely key.
Because turning a potential negative into a positive fix that can actually lead to a fantastic review sometimes.
It really can. And that's where, technology can be such a help. If you have tools monitoring feedback in real time, you can often catch little issues before they blow up into bad public reviews.
Like a warning system.
Sort of, yeah. Plus, nowadays, you have to make it easy for people. Offer different ways to give feedback, email, text, maybe a QR code they can scan right there.
Convenience matters.
Huge difference. And having dashboards, so you can actually see the trends in feedback. That tells you what's working.
Okay, so tech helps you monitor and makes it easy, which kind of leads to timing and personalization, doesn't it?
It does. You're hunting for those, let's call them golden moments, when the customer is happiest. Asking right after a success story is way more effective than some generic email blast days later.
Makes sense. Like if they just bought a specific thing, maybe mention that thing.
Exactly. How are you finding the product name? It shows you're actually paying attention, not just sending bulk mail.
Yeah, avoids that robot feel.
Totally. Personalize those templates, even the follow-ups. If you do them, keep them personal. A gentle nudge, maybe, but not automated spam.
Right. Avoid the spammy feel.
Okay, so pulling this all together, all this feedback you're collecting, it's only useful if you do something with it.
Actionable insights.
Right. Regularly look at what people are saying, the good and the bad. Find those patterns. Where can you improve?
And track your team's response time, too.
Yeah,
Show people you're listening.
definitely. And then actually having clear steps to take those insights and, make your product or service better.
That's the loop.
That's the engine. That builds loyalty and it keeps those positive reviews coming naturally.
So for the long haul.
Keep checking your system, like regular tune-ups. Customer expectations change, tech changes,
Yeah.
so you need to adapt.
Stay flexible.
And importantly, recognize your team members who are really good at encouraging that positive feedback. Reward that.
Good point. So wrapping up, the real secret isn't being pushy at all.
Not at all.
It's about creating a system centered on the customer, focusing on great experiences,
Mm-hmm.
and just making it super easy and natural for happy customers to share the love.
Exactly. So maybe the final thought for you listening is, what's one small change, just one thing you could tweak today in your customer journey that would make leaving a review feel a bit easier, a bit more positive for them? That small step could be the start.